Hey guys, I'm Sonika. It's gonna be Ganesh Chaturthi in a few days, but this year, like every year, we will not be able to go outside and photograph Ganpati idols and our solas and the Ganesh mandals. It's sad, but that does not mean we won't celebrate and we won't photograph. So I'm gonna try some Ganpati photography ideas at home. That's what Ganpati Bappa teaches us, to adapt to the situation and do our best, not get disheartened. So let the photography begin. Ganpati Bappa Moria.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I am on YouTube. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Welcome to my channel, which is all about photography, travel, vlogging, cameras, and I put out new photography tutorials every Wednesday for you guys. So if you want more photography tips and tricks from me every Wednesday, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon. And today we are going to try some Ganpati photography ideas at home. I'm going to use some small Ganesh idols that I have at home. You can use any subject, guys, if you don't want to use an idol of Ganpati Bappa. The rules will be the same, you just need to adapt them as per your liking. So let's get started. What am I going to use? A camera. I have my Nikon D5300 with 1855mm kit lens. A tripod, external flash, a Ganpati idol obviously. Some backgrounds, I'm going to use plain white paper and some dupattas and bed sheets for colorful backgrounds. You can use any kind of cloth you may have in your home, guys. Some props like diyas, puja items, flowers. Now if flowers are not readily available in your area, you can try to make a few flowers at home. I'll show you how.
First, I fixed my camera on my tripod with the external flash attached to it. And for the background, I'm gonna use white paper sellotape like so. Place my Ganpati along with some flowers. Now, how did I make these flowers, you ask? Here I have some sheets of colored paper. The aim is to make such a marigold-like flower. First, I'll take one sheet, fold it into equal halves, and again. Cut the paper along the lines. I want to make small flowers. If you want to make bigger flowers, you can take bigger size papers. It's up to you. Now I place the 4 strips over each other. Make sure they are aligned properly and fold them like a fan. Tie them along the middle. Pull gently along the sides so that we get this flower shape. Now start pulling out these individual pieces of paper, all 4 of them, crumpling them. If the paper tears by mistake, it's okay, no one will notice it. Marigolds are supposed to be like that. Here we have got the shape on one side, same thing on the other side. Just pull and crumple them up. Crumple it a little more. And my flower is ready. So here I have composed my shot. Next I'll use my Renox TCR 250 for a close-up. Place the idol sideways and focus on Bappa's eye. Let's change the background from white to red. I'm using a red dupatta. I'm thinking of replacing these flowers with a diya. In the meanwhile, let's make some more flowers. I have this strip of colored paper and I aim to make such a lily. First, I'll draw a line around a centimeter away from the edge using a pencil and cut the paper in small strips, and I cut till the line I've drawn. The thickness of the strips can be the way you want it to be. There are no rules for that. When I've cut all through the paper, I'll take a thin stick or pencil, cut a small piece of sellotape, tape one end of the paper to the stick and start rolling and wrapping it on the stick. Once you roll it fully, paste it in place. If you want, you can leave it like so, or very carefully and slowly pull the flower out of the stick. And my flower is ready. Going back to my setup. Now I'll place Ganpati Bappa on my palm with some of these flowers. Now I'll try different backgrounds like this colorful strip one. I'll use a natural background against my window and place the idol on my palm again. Place Ganpati Bappa on a holy book. Again, I'll make some flowers. This time a sunflower. So let's begin. I take a strip of colored paper and fold it like a fan. I'll cut away the extra part. Fold it in two halves. And staple it there. Make a V shape along the edges. Stick the two halves together. Open the flower like a fan. Make another such flower. Then stick these two flowers together. There. Take another colored paper. Cut a small circle out of it. Stick it on the flower and tada! My flower is ready. For my setup, I want a top angle on a white background. Here is my Ganpati. I'm using an idol that can be clicked from a top angle, and here are my flowers. Now placing another small Ganpati on top of a flower. Use a side profile of Bappa. Now I'm gonna use a CD and a torch. Turn it on and point it on the CD to get these rainbow colors. See, they look so cool. I have so many decorative puja thalis at home. Let's use them. Composing my shot, You can use any puja items you may have at home, like incense sticks, like agarbatti, leaves, stickers, diyas, whatever you may have. You may add a background here too.
So guys, I had a lot of fun trying these Ganpati photography techniques at home, and in case you want to try any of these techniques, please go ahead and tag me in your pictures on Instagram at Agarwal Sonika. I will be very happy to have a look at your images, guys. And I want to wish you a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi, guys. I hope Lord Ganesha bestows good health and fortune on you and your family. And I hope next year we'll be able to celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi like we always do. I hope that happens. Anyway, if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about which photography ideas you want to see next on my channel. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous Ganeshutsav video. Please go check it out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.